Welcome to Education Area, your go-to place for knowledge and learning. Today, we are going to explore the topic of self-development skills. These are the abilities that allow you to grow, evolve, and reach your full potential. They encompass everything from emotional intelligence to time management and are crucial in every aspect of life. Whether you're aiming for personal growth or professional success, these skills are your stepping stones. It's time to dive into the world of self-development and discover the change you can bring about in your life. So why are self-development skills so important? Well, let's dive into it. Self-development skills essentially are the tools that allow us to grow and evolve in various aspects of our lives. These skills are vital to both our personal and professional lives. On a personal level, they enhance our understanding of ourselves, helping us to lead a more balanced and fulfilling life. They encourage us to step out of our comfort zones, to learn new things, and to adapt to changes in our environment. In the professional world, self-development skills are equally crucial. They enable us to handle work-related challenges more effectively and to continuously improve our performance. They also open doors to new opportunities and career advancements. Moreover, these skills foster resilience, allowing us to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. As we can see, self-development skills are a key component in leading a successful and fulfilling life. Now that we understand why these skills are important, let's explore the different types of self-development skills. First off, we have communication skills. These are not just about speaking or writing clearly. It's also about listening, understanding, and interpreting what others are saying. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's about conveying your ideas effectively and understanding others. Then, we have leadership skills. No, you don't need to be a CEO to need these. Leadership skills are crucial in every aspect of life. It's about taking responsibility, making decisions, and inspiring others. It's about having a vision and the ability to guide others towards it. Next up, problem-solving skills. Life is full of challenges, big and small. Having the ability to identify problems, analyze possible solutions, and then make decisions is a vital self-development skill. It's not just about solving problems, but also about learning from them and using that knowledge for future challenges. Moving on to time management skills. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how we use them makes all the difference. Effective time management helps you prioritize tasks, set goals, and avoid procrastination. It's about making the most of your time and achieving more with less stress. Lastly, emotional intelligence. This is the ability to understand and manage your emotions as well as the emotions of others. It's about empathy, self-awareness, and emotional control. It's a crucial skill in building strong relationships, both personally and professionally. These are just a few examples of self-development skills, and there are many more. They all intertwine and complement each other, creating a well-rounded individual. Each skill can be developed and improved over time, so don't worry if you're not a master at all of them yet. Each of these skills holds a unique value in our life and contributes to our overall development. So let's embrace them, nurture them, and watch ourselves grow. Now, you may be wondering, how can I develop these skills? Let's dive right into it. First up, let's talk about developing emotional intelligence. This is all about understanding not just your own emotions, but also the emotions of those around you. A great way to do this is through active listening. When someone's talking to you, really focus on what they're saying and how they're feeling. Try to empathize with them and understand their perspective. And remember, it's not just about hearing the words, but about picking up on the emotions behind them. Moving on, how can we work on our problem-solving skills? It's all about practice. You can start by identifying a problem in your daily life, then brainstorming possible solutions. Once you've got a few options, evaluate each one and pick the best solution. It's also helpful to reflect on the process afterwards. What worked? What didn't? This way, you can continually improve your problem-solving skills. Next, let's talk about creativity. This might seem like something you're either born with or not, but that's not the case. Creativity can be nurtured. Try engaging in activities that stimulate your imagination, like reading, drawing, or even daydreaming. Also, don't be afraid to take risks. Often the most creative ideas are the ones that seem a little crazy at first. Developing resilience, on the other hand, often comes from facing challenges and overcoming them. Start small. Set a challenging but achievable goal and work towards it. When you encounter obstacles, don't give up. Instead, see them as opportunities to grow and learn. With each challenge you overcome, you'll become more resilient. As for time management skills, a good starting point is to prioritize your tasks. Determine which tasks are most important and tackle them first. Also, try to eliminate distractions as much as possible. This might mean turning off your phone notifications or choosing a quiet place to work. And don't forget to take breaks. Studies have shown that taking short breaks can actually boost productivity. Lastly, let's touch on developing effective communication skills. This involves not just speaking clearly, but also listening attentively. Practice active listening as we discussed earlier. When you're speaking, be clear and concise. Use simple language and avoid jargon. And remember, body language is also a crucial part of communication. Maintain eye contact, use open gestures, and show that you're engaged in the conversation. Each of these skills takes time and effort to develop, but don't be discouraged. Start with small steps and gradually work your way up. It's a journey, not a race. And remember, the goal is not perfection, but progress. With practice and persistence, you can master these skills and see a positive transformation in your life. Let's look at some real-life examples of individuals who have mastered self-development skills. Our first example is none other than the renowned author, J.K. Rowling. Before she penned the iconic Harry Potter series, Rowling faced numerous challenges. From living on benefits to dealing with the rejection of multiple publishers, her journey was not a smooth one. However, she persisted, honed her writing skills, and cultivated resilience, two key self-development skills. Today, she's one of the most successful authors in the world, a testament to the power of self-development. Next, we have Jack Ma, the co-founder of Alibaba, one of the largest e-commerce platforms globally. Ma was rejected from dozens of jobs, including KFC, before he found success. He even failed his college entrance exam twice. However, he never let these setbacks deter him. Instead, he focused on improving his skills, learning from his failures, and developing his resilience. His story is proof that self-development skills can help you overcome any obstacle. Then there's Oprah Winfrey, a name synonymous with success. She grew up in poverty and faced numerous personal and professional challenges. However, she never gave up. She continually worked on herself, focusing on skills like communication, empathy, and resilience. Today, she's an influential figure in media, proof of how self-development can catapult you to unimaginable heights. Finally, let's consider Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. Known for his innovative ideas, Musk faced many failures and setbacks. However, he's known for his relentless pursuit of knowledge and learning, a key self-development skill. Despite the naysayers, he continued to push boundaries, proving that with the right self-development skills, even the sky isn't the limit. These stories prove that anyone, including you, can harness the power of self-development skills. Each of these individuals faced their own set of challenges, but through persistence, resilience, and continuous learning, all key self-development skills, they were able to overcome these hurdles and achieve success. Remember, self-development is a journey, not a destination. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing forward. You never know what you might achieve. As we wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned today. We began by understanding the significance of self-development skills. These skills are not just about improving ourselves for the sake of it. They help us lead a more fulfilling life, reach our potential, and make our dreams a reality. We then explored the different types of self-development skills, from emotional intelligence to critical thinking, from creativity to resilience. Each of these skills has its unique role in shaping us into well-rounded individuals. Next, we delved into practical ways to develop these skills. Remember, it's all about taking small, consistent steps. Reading widely, practicing mindfulness, seeking feedback, and stepping out of your comfort zone are just some of the ways to kickstart your self-development journey. We also looked at real-life examples of self-development, illustrating how people from different walks of life have applied these skills to transform their lives. These stories serve as a reminder that self-development is possible for each one of us, irrespective of our circumstances. So, as we conclude, let's remember that the importance of self-development skills cannot be overstated. They are the tools that help us navigate life's challenges and seize opportunities with confidence. Remember, self-development is a journey, not a destination. So start today and watch how you grow and evolve. Thank you for joining us on Education Area. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.